Hi everyone. Any of you know me, you know that every year in March I do several recipes. This year I'll be doing one a week to support kidney disease awareness. I've been doing this because in the year 2018 I was diagnosed with PKD, which is polycystic kidney disease. I'll leave information on what it is and a link so you can check it out if you so inclined to do so. So today I'll be doing a recipe out of the Polycystic Kidney Disease Diet Cookbook. So today I'll be making lemon herb baked salmon. What all goes into the lemon herb baked salmon? 4 6-ounce salmon fillets, 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, and I'm already using the minced stuff, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. So take a baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and lightly grease it. So take your salmon, put it on the parchment lined baking sheet. Take the juice of 1 lemon and then squirt it on top of each salmon fillet. Make sure that there's no seeds. So take a small bowl, take your 2 tablespoons of the olive oil, the 2 minced garlic cloves, the 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, the 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, the 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and mix that up until thoroughly combined. So take your herb marinade and brush it on the salmon. You want to make sure that you get it on the sides as well. And then I'm going to just rub the solid part on there with my fingers and get the sides and the ends. And I'll leave the recipe down below with also the nutritional information, because if any of you don't know, if you have kidney disease, certain things your kidneys cannot process like they can with healthy kidneys. So these recipes will help reduce those amount of ingredients. After you brushed it with the marinade, slice your other lemon into thin slices and lay them on top of the salmon. Put your lemon herb baked salmon in a preheated 400-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon flakes. After 14 minutes, I took the salmon fillets out of the oven. We'll let them set for just a minute and then we'll dish up. So here is the lemon herb baked salmon, and rounding out the meal is steamed green beans, which is also on the kidney diet list. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I take it this is fish?
It is lemon herb baked salmon.
Okay. Is that dill?
No, it's got thyme, rosemary, and oregano.
Oh, you know what? It's probably the rosemary that yeah, probably so. I used to eat this with green beans quite frequently. Like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.